4-axis CNC machines, how they work and when they are worth the investment. Modern CNC technology has transformed the woodworking industry. From small custom workshops to large furniture factories, CNC machines have made production faster, more precise, and far more efficient. For most manufacturers, a standard 3-axis CNC router is more than enough. However, some projects require additional flexibility. This is where 4-axis CNC technology comes into play. A 4-axis machine allows manufacturers to produce cylindrical components, decorative elements, and complex pieces that would be difficult or time-consuming to create on a standard CNC router. In this video, we'll explore how 4-axis CNC machines work, their advantages, their limitations, and when investing in one actually makes sense. What is a 4-axis CNC machine? A 4-axis CNC machine includes the three traditional axes, X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis. But it also adds a fourth rotational axis. This additional axis allows the workpiece to rotate during machining. As a result, multiple sides of the material can be processed without manually repositioning the part. This makes 4-axis CNC routers ideal for producing decorative and cylindrical components. Understanding the 4-axis. The X-axis controls left and right movement. The Y-axis controls front and back movement. The Z-axis controls cutting depth. And the fourth axis, commonly called the A-axis, rotates the workpiece during machining. Together, these movements provide greater flexibility and improved efficiency compared with traditional 3-axis machines. How a 4-axis CNC machine works. Everything begins with a digital design. Specialized software generates the toolpaths required to machine the part. Once the material is mounted on the rotary device, the machine performs all movements automatically. As the spindle moves along the X, Y, and Z axes, the workpiece rotates simultaneously. This allows complex details to be machined around the entire surface of the part. What can be produced with a 4-axis CNC? 4-axis CNC machines are especially useful for producing table legs, balusters, decorative columns, sculpted handles, wooden sculptures, and custom decorative components. Many manufacturers of classic furniture rely heavily on this technology. Materials that can be machined. A 4-axis CNC machine can process solid wood, plywood, MDF, composite materials, plastics, and soft aluminum. However, woodworking remains one of the most common applications for these machines. Advantages of 4-axis CNC machines. The biggest advantage is the ability to machine rotating parts. Additional benefits include fewer setups, higher productivity, improved accuracy, greater versatility, and the ability to expand production capabilities. For many workshops, a 4-axis machine opens the door to entirely new products. Limitations of 4-axis CNC machines. Despite their capabilities, 4-axis machines still have limitations. Highly complex curved surfaces and advanced three-dimensional geometries are better suited for 5-axis machines. In addition, 4-axis systems are more expensive than standard 3-axis routers, more complex to program, and slightly more demanding to maintain. Nevertheless, for decorative woodworking, they represent an excellent balance between cost and capability. 3-axis versus 4-axis CNC machines. A 3-axis machine is ideal for flat panels, cabinets, and standard furniture components. A 4-axis machine adds rotational movement and is perfect for table legs, balusters, columns, and cylindrical parts. For many furniture businesses, both machines complement each other rather than compete against one another. 4-axis versus 5-axis CNC machines. While 4-axis machines excel at rotational components, 5-axis machines allow the spindle to approach the material from multiple angles. This makes it possible to produce curved furniture, complex sculptures, organic shapes, and highly sophisticated designs. Although 5-axis machines provide unmatched flexibility, they also require significantly greater investment. Is a 4-axis CNC worth the investment? The answer depends entirely on your production needs. If your business focuses on standard cabinets and flat furniture panels, a 3-axis machine may be sufficient. But if you manufacture decorative furniture, stair components, custom table legs, or carved architectural elements. Final thoughts. A 4-axis CNC router represents the next step beyond traditional woodworking. It combines precision, automation, and rotational machining capabilities to create products that would otherwise require much more labor. For workshops specializing in decorative woodworking and premium furniture, a 4-axis CNC machine can become one of the most valuable tools in the shop.